The next topic is making a discrete probability distribution. And this lists each possible value a discrete random variable can assume together with its probability. And it has two properties. First, the probability of each value must be between 0 and 1. And then second, all of the probabilities have to add up to 1. Construct a discrete probability distribution for the random variable x. Let x represent the value of a six-sided die. So we want to list each of the values of x alongside the corresponding probabilities. So x could be 1 through 6, and each of the probabilities are 1 over 6. So this is our discrete probability distribution.